Hello and welcome to the 1.7 update. This is a huge update, so that's why we decided to record a video for it. We did so many updates and QR menu maker is now more powerful and does a lot more than only QR making. So let's get started. We had tables and area management. We have local ordering, so when customer sits they can order directly from the menu, and we didn't just add to cart and submit order. We did fully featured ordering process. You will see it later with continuous order and online ordering, online cart payments. Now owners have the options to see their orders and do reports on it, and also have lifetime orders, like real-time orders, where they receive sound notifications. Customer log is something that is really required by law in a lot of countries, where you keep track on your customers, when they were visit and where they were sitting on what table on what area. And now we have the options to subscribe via Stripe to the plans, because a lot of you reported that they have problem with integrating Paddle. So right now we have both Paddle and Stripe as subscription options. And you also now have the option to manually assign a plan to a user if they paid you manually or so on. So let's get started. When we go to the owner dashboard, you will see that they now have list of how many orders they did, what's the sales volume, how many numbers of items they have in their menu, and how many people view their menu online. And you see the graph here, which looks really nice. I will start with tables management, tables and area management. So you can see that we have inside area, and on the second page I think we have terrace area, yes. And areas is like places of the restaurant. We did it because this is how the customer log should work. You should know in which area that client was, and also for the waiter to know where to deliver the order in what area, or separate waiter can work on different area. Let's say I want to add a lobby area, and now I have the option. When I create a new table, you see table 1, I'm able to add table 1 in the lobby area, table 1 with 5 persons in the lobby area. This is also good for numbering, because restaurants can have the same number for a table in different areas. So that was the table management. If to showcase you the ordering process, best will be to do a live order. So this is a client on their phone when they have scanned the QR and they see the menu. And let's say client comes to you and directly sits on a table and looks at this Caesar salad and wants to order it. And I will add an extra cheese for 1.2 euros, and I will add to cart, and I will click on checkout. I see what's in my cart. This is slow because I'm using proxy local to showcase the local. I'm on a table 1 in inside area. I will not put any comment. I will pay with cash, and I will place the order. Soon as the order is created, I'm able to see it here in orders. You see 601 status is just created, and the one from the kitchen on the waiter can see what's been ordered, and they can accept the order and put minutes to it. I will say I will need 20 minutes for the salad. Okay, now you will see the same in live orders. You will see that this order has been accepted by restaurants. Now it's not more, you don't need to put attention to it. And now let's say I want pizza. I'm the same customer sitting at the same table, and I want pizza. And we have really here the most whatever idea you can think of menu pricing, you can do it. Let's see how that works. So I have small and hand toasted crust, and the pepperoni for this variant is 2.2 euros. And let's say you want for the family pizza and double-decker pizza. For that option, you want pepperoni to be cheaper, so you have a kind of a menu there. And I will say family double-decker. You see pepperoni is now 1 euro. So owners of the restaurants can really make their menu as they wish, because we put so many working hours on this. I think whatever idea you can think of, it's doable with this menu. So I will add also pepperoni for $1, and I will add this to the cart. I think I clicked twice, so I will remove it. Yes, so pepperoni family double-decker plus pepperoni, plus extra pepperoni of course, and I will do a checkout. But look at this now. I'm able to select the same table, and once again I will pay with cash. The continuous ordering process comes here. You see, it didn't create a new order, but updated the existing order. You see the sound? So when an order is received or order is updated, you will directly get a notification. So this is helpful, so the system doesn't generate too many orders for you. You can see the status was just created, accepted by restaurants, then updated once again. And you will see here that both the value has been updated and what the order has been thus includes. So I have extra cheese here, and I have the family double-decker with pepperoni for $1, for €1. And yeah, that's about the ordering process. I will show you how so I'm able to accept that. Once again, how many minutes now I need. Now it's I have the option to say it's prepared, delivered to the table, and I have closed the order. So when now client sits on this table, it's like I will refresh this site, and when they create a new order, will be like new order in the system if the order is already closed. And I also can pay by card. So let's see how that works. The process is really similar. I'm able to select a new table. I will say inside table 4, and I want to pay with card at the moment. All I need to put is, sorry, name of card Daniel Dimov, card number 424242, and I will place order, and this will create a new order in the system that will say that it's directly paid. You see here the payment status is already paid, and really you have a really good system. For example, you can query on orders, we can filter on them, and you can download report. This will download all the data for the orders, so you can do additional reporting on them or integrate in your existing system. So that was about the ordering process. Now let's see the customer log process. You can see the customer log from here. So you can add a new customer visit. You can select the table. You can select the customer name and so on. But also that can be done by the visitor himself. So I'm able to select table 1, customer name, I was Daniel Dimov, My email, it's not required. My phone, and some notes if I want to add them. So now the system will create a customer visit has been added, and that customer visit you can see here. You can see the visit time, and you can do different kinds of reporting on, for example, this was table 1 filter, and you can download that report in CSV format. And with this you get a really handy feature on regarding customers visits management. I will log in now as an admin. And now the admin also has a dashboard view where he sees orders from different restaurants, how much volume it was made via the ordering process. Also he can see the list of orders. He also have some options on top of them. And what I want to show you here is in pricing plans. Now you have the option to say, is this plans enables ordering. So now in the free plan you can disable ordering, and this restaurant will not have the ordering enabled for him. And as you can see now, you can enter Stripe plan ID, so you can have a subscription based on directly to go to your Stripe. And yeah, I think with this we have wrapped up the update, what's been done in this update. I think you will be satisfied with how it works. We spent a lot of time on creating it, but I think it was worth waiting, and what you can give to your clients is something that really works. And it's not just we have ordering, but it's not complete, so we try to make it as complete as possible. You have all the options on the variants on when you create a menu, so we are really happy with it. And yeah, of course we have plans and ideas how to extend it even more, and how to make compatible with other plugins and some other plugins that we have in mind. So on the long run, I think you will be happy where this project is heading. And yeah, thanks for watching this video, and hope you